Hi, Gary Porter again. I'm going to show you the schematics for the energy capture and then downloading to the batteries. First off, we're going to start off here with two power supplies. The top power supply is for one of the pairs of drivers, and the other bottom power supply is for the other set of drivers. You want to isolate the positive of recovery and the negative recovery systems from each other, and to do that I've got a little DigiKey DC to DC converter here. 30 volt AC comes into a bridge through a coil cap, and the output is 15 volts out of that. This goes over to the switches and opto isolator, whatever. And then the next one is the same thing, only it's for the other set of ICs. Swap this drawing over. I can do this without destroying it. Okay, right here I show pickup coils energy and back EMF energy coming into bridge rectifiers, and this is just one positive circuit, and then this is the negative circuit with the two FETs, and I've got two caps. This cap is always maintaining a charge from the energy recovery bridge. Now you can have more than one bridge connected to this cap. You can have, I've got like I think 4 bridges connected to one cap, and then that all positive goes through the collector out the emitter and into this cap. And then what happens is you want two drivers. You want to have this FET driven by X inverted, so it's and then X drives from the other driver, drives this one in a normal X condition. And then so you've isolated with this switch off. This continues to charge. This is no longer, this system of recovery is no longer tying the motor to the battery. So now you can take the energy that's recovered in this cap and then dump that into the battery. And you've got two systems here. One's for the negative energy to the negative battery, and then the positive to the positive battery. And that's that one. Next will be the X and Y. I'm only going to show you the set of the I'm only showing you the positive to the battery, and it's the same thing for the negative, only it's the Y and then Y not output. And this is actually a 4421 driver that inverts the input, and I've got an opto isolator here. I built 4N26, I think, I'm not sure. A couple of 1K resistors, and ground from the power supply. G1 is here, so everything's got G1, and G2 is for the negative drivers. So you've actually isolated the grounds too, even though the grounds eventually will go back to the main ground in the system, which is the two batteries tied together. But I want individual pathways for the current to flow from the caps to the two different batteries. Even though it's the same ground, I've got two pathways, and one is used at one time, and then the other one is used at one time. Right here I've got a positive. The motor pulse that's driving the motor is LED sensor 5 and then 8, and these do a negative pulse into the motor, and that comes through the opto and becomes A. A then splits and goes to the driver for the inversion to turn off the FET that's capturing the initial bridge energy, and then the A down here goes to the normal 4422, which turns on the X FET and to fill the battery back up. And that's it. That's the circuit. So anyway, that's where we are. The board's built. I'll try the board out Tuesday or Wednesday, and we'll get the whole, once the whole thing is connected up, I'll do another video for that and show you how that's all. So I'll show you the entire motor running. Anyway, have a good day.